To buy XAUUSD on Webull, start by opening the Webull app or website and logging into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by providing the required information and verifying your identity. Once you are logged in, navigate to the search bar and type in XAUUSD, which is the ticker symbol for gold in US dollars. Select XAUUSD from the search results to go to the gold trading page. On the XAUUSD trading page, you will see the current price and a chart of the gold price over time. You can use this information to help you decide when to buy. Below the chart, you will see the buy and sell buttons. To buy XAUUSD, click on the buy button. This will open the order page, where you can enter the amount of gold you want to buy. You can choose to buy a specific amount of gold or invest a specific amount of money. After entering the amount, you will need to select the order type. The most common order types are market order and limit order. A market order will buy the gold at the current market price, while a limit order will buy the gold at a specific price that you set. Once you have selected the order type, review your order to make sure everything is correct. Then, click the Confirm button to submit your order. Your order will be executed, and you will own the specified amount of gold. It is essential to have a basic understanding of trading and the risks involved before buying XAUUSD on Webull. It is also crucial to set a budget and stick to it to avoid significant losses. Additionally, consider setting stop-loss orders to limit your potential losses if the gold price moves against you. In conclusion, buying XAUUSD on Webull is a relatively straightforward process. By following these steps and being aware of the risks involved, you can start trading gold on Webull. Remember to always do your own research and consider your own risk tolerance before making any investment decisions.